Hi guys, and welcome to one more of my videos. I want to tell you that I have a dog in the house, so that's the reason that sometimes you hear some strange noises, because my dog will play with his toys, will come ask for a hug when I'm recording, and the noises most of the times are going to be from my dog. In this video, it's why you should want to help your wife when she is cleaning the house. Come on, think about it. If your wife is less tired all the time, because trust me, cleaning the house is an exhausting thing to do, she will be more into having more sex. Think about it. She will have more time to do things with you, things that you'll always ask her to join you, but she never had the time to do it because she was always tired, or she had to do some of the cleaning of the house. She will be less tired, so less upset with everything. On the other hand, you may do the cleaning together and you may do it in a very naughty way, so think about that too. If your wife is tired, upset, not having time to take care of herself, and you are always complaining to her, lose weight, go do something with your hair, babe, and you used to be a fun person to be around, and now look at you. Well, help her have time and the energy to start looking after herself. Don't just complain, and start by doing something that is not expensive to your pocket, like helping her clean the house so she can have time to fix her hair, or she can have time to watch a video and work out at home. Or after you are helping her with the cleaning of the house, you can both go for a run or for a walk in the beach. So stop complaining all the time and do something about it. Help her have the time to be that fun person again. Help her to lose weight. Don't sit on the couch all the time. Help her. Don't complain all the time. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for listening.